Hey, what's up? What's up, homies? Pat, you know what I'm saying? Back with another video. Today, about to be in the morning, you know. Sleeping. Oh, wake up. It's the morning now. Alright. So, today, you know, we woke up. I woke up at like 5:20. You know, I did some teeth brushing. And then I went straight to the school, you know. Lately, I haven't been wanting to do school, so, you know, usually I would wake up at like 4 or 5, sometimes 7, and I just like play some basketball, you know, go on a run. But I've been procrastinating out of school, so I put that as my priority, you know, because it was getting hard to do it in the nighttime or whatever, you know, the afternoon. So, this is why you should wake up in the morning. You know, a lot of benefits. First of all, you're gonna be more productive. You know, it's simple. You wake up in the morning, you have nothing on your mind. Your mind is clear. You know, and you're nice and fresh. You know, you have absolutely nothing on your mind. You can focus on whatever you want to focus on. Choose to focus on whatever you want to focus on, alright? So I chose to focus on school. You can choose to focus on working out, you know, whatever you want to. You know, I say do it for the most important thing that you need to get done, you know? Your number one priority that you need to get done that day. Do it first thing in the morning, okay? If you wake up in the morning, do that thing, alright? You will be in flow state, okay? Flow state is when you get into this state where you're flowing, you know? Alright, that's a bad explanation, but, you know, your mind is focused on that thing and that thing only, you know, nothing else, nothing is entering your mind. So you are the most productive at this time when you are in flow state, you know, you will not be interrupted. The only interruption is if somebody else interrupts you, or, you know, your phone gives you a notification. In the morning, you can't get any notifications. I mean, you could, but, you know, nobody is awake, so nobody is going to text you if it's early in the morning, if it's 4, 5, okay? Nobody can come in your room and tell you to do the dishes, okay? None of that's going to happen because you're the only one awake. You know, you can get up and get stuff done with no distractions, okay? It's like the second reason. Third reason, the morning sets you up for the rest of your day, okay? A lot of people do this, you know. If you get up in the morning, scroll on TikTok for 3 hours, you know, wake up at 5, do it till 8. The rest of the day, all you're gonna do is go on TikTok or Instagram or whatever it is, you know. That's all you're gonna want to do because you've been doing that. So you're not gonna want to switch to doing work after doing that, you know. That's a step down, you know. That's light work. That's boring, you know. That's like getting a lecture about the floor, like. No, nobody wants to do that, alright? So, you know, if you do it first thing in the morning, your mind is doing nothing to something, you know? You're sleeping, doing nothing to doing school, you know? It's gonna be fun. Maybe not fun, but it's not gonna be boring or as boring as it would have been, okay? So it's easier to do. Okay? So, this is what I'm telling you. Do the school in the morning or the workout in the morning, whatever you have to do. There is no distractions. Nothing is stopping you but yourself, okay? No excuses. This is the fourth reason. Okay, the fourth reason. Look, it goes into other aspects of your life, okay? If you wake up early, you're going to be more inclined to doing something else good. You know, maybe you haven't been wanting to, let's say, you told yourself you're going to meditate, and you haven't been meditating. If you wake up early, you might say, wow, nobody else is up, you know? Before I do this school, I'm about to meditate. Ding! 10 minutes of meditation already out the window in the morning, you know? When you wake up, you have great ideas. You know, you think of stuff. Just like in the nighttime. You know, in the nighttime, have you tried to do work in the nighttime? All these types of ideas pop in your mind. It's the same in the morning. You're fresh. You're thinking of all types of things. You know, you might think of not all types of bad things, but like the things you have to get done. You know, if you told yourself you're gonna do the school, you know, you're gonna run, you're gonna do all this stuff, you're gonna make yourself a healthy meal. In the morning, you know, you can even write it down. You know, all the stuff you need to do is easy in the morning because you have nothing else to do. You know, you can't go into the other room and talk to your parents because they're gonna be asleep. You know, your sister, your brother, none of that. They're gonna be asleep. So you can really dictate what you're gonna do. What's that? The 6th reason? Alright. Where is my 7th reason? Oh, I found it. It's over there. Yeah. In the morning, you're gonna be in the moment. You know, you can be in the moment. You're not gonna be thinking about all the other stuff. You know, in the nighttime, you know, if you're playing video games, you know, you might think about your friends on the video games. You might think about your friends doing all this stuff. But in the morning, you know, you can get done what you have to get done. Simple. You know, it's simple. But yeah, I mean, I think I hit all the points. You know, I kind of feel like I have another point, but you know, I guess that's all, really. Maybe I'll add in some captions, or I'll think of one. But you know, thanks for this video. You know, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you guys and girls, you know, out there, so you can wake up in the morning and get on your grind. Oh, on your grind. All right, here we go. Here we go. In the morning, you're gonna want to grind. All right, nobody else is up. You know, you're gonna feel tough. You know, if you were tired and you're alarmed and you really wanted to go back to sleep, and you fight that, you know, you fight the sleep and you wake up, you're gonna feel good. You're gonna feel like you're that guy. You know what I'm saying? Like you're that person. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna feel like you're invincible. Like you just fought away your sleep. Like you can do anything. So you're gonna be super motivated. You know. You know, you might just go outside in the cold weather and stand there, cause nothing can stop you, you know? And this, you know, this source of motivation, it comes only sometimes. You know, sometimes you're just not gonna be motivated, but this source of motivation is going to build, you know. In your workout, you're gonna work extra hard because you already did something. It's like that one dude, he said to make your bed because it's the first task of the day. It tells your brain that you completed a task. You did something correctly. You know, once you fight that alarm, that's a W, you know? That's a win for your day. You know, now you can go on to fighting other things. It gets you in that mindset, you know? You just tough. You know, that's tough. You know? But, you know, what else? What else did I have? What else did I have? What was I saying? Oh yeah, you're gonna be motivated, bro. But yeah, it'll transfer to other aspects in your life too. But yeah, I think that's all. You know, I kind of feel like I had one more point, but yeah, that's a video. You know, you should really wake up in the morning, cause man, it's gonna set your day up for success, you know. And so if you're struggling with something, you know, you can't really do your work, you get in, you know, you need some alone time even, you know, you need to do some stuff, you know, you wanted to cook some meals, you could eat healthy, or, you know, any of that. The morning, it's just a good place, because I want you to try this. Try waking up in the morning, you know, and do the work, and then try waking up at like 11 or like 12 or late in the day when you're already gonna be doing that. So like, don't get on your phone, all right? Do not. That's like some bad. And don't watch TV. Start your day off good, because that's gonna transfer to the rest of your day. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed. Wake up in the morning, unless you're chilling at night. But I'm out here. Later, man and girls. Peace.